Hi, so good afternoon and welcome to Paglinawan Organic Eco Farm. Especially for those first time mo dire, welcome kayo na. Then those who are returning, welcome back. So I am Christus Paglinawan, daughter of the founder of this farm. Our farm is advocacy for organic, sustainable agriculture. So this farm started in 2010. My father was the one who started it, Jerry Paglinawan, and he started cultivating the land to be 100% organic. Currently, it's a 10-hectare farm. 4 hectares is my, 6 hectares is either underdeveloped or developed or wala pa, or mga sapa. So here in the farm, it's aside from it being organic. A farm itself, it's also a tourism site where we also educate those who are interested in the different ways that you can do organic agriculture. So as you can see here, this is our outdoor garden area. But it's not just an outdoor garden as you can see there. We also have implemented 3 kinds of styles of gardening. So first is just regular outdoor gardening in soil. And then, aside from this, we also have gardening that's in pots. So, this is another kind of experiment that we're trying to do. We realized the regular outdoor gardening, you have to keep, you have to always keep putting nutrients to soil, you always have to monitor, pick out the weeds. Pero with potted plants, it's much easier for us to control the nutrients and the weeds, and it seems to keep us growing much faster. So we like to use both as an example. If you have an outdoor garden, you can do outdoor gardening. But if you have also this one, kay usahay, there's people who say like, I can't grow in my house kay cemento, wala ko yuta. Pero nahay kaang. This is what you can use. So no excuse for those who say that they can't plant. You can plant at home. And then someone in the picture, we are also potted plants that we can sell to those who are interested in growing their own in their own house. That's one of the things that my dad's trying to push is grow your own food. So a third example, which we can start slowly moving away here, is the greenhouse. So this is a partnership with Kids Farm from Zamboanga City. They are an organization that promotes youth in agriculture. So trying to get the youth interested in farming. So they partnered with us. They taught us how to do prep-free hydroponics, and now this is our sample. Hopefully in the future we can start reaching out to other Dumingag nuns who are interested in creating in their own home or in the schools, things like that. So come with me to say, and then we can see the as you can see, it's kind of a system that doesn't use electricity. The only thing you need is just a little tray for the water, some styrofoam, and then the seedlings for the lettuce. We use a water solution for the nutrients of the lettuce. And the good thing about this kind of thing, there's no electricity. So those who are usually those who are into hydroponics, they say it's expensive because you need all this material, you need electricity, especially if you're consuming Pero this is an example of how you can do it without too much materials. No? You just need some wood, plastic, tarpaulin, styro, and then in 40 days you can get your own lettuce.
40 days. Yeah, it's
without pesticide, without insecticide, without it's organic, even herbicide.
Ito yung mas maganda.
So this lettuce is also the lettuce we use for our farm-to-table dining. So we also promote healthy eating here in
Super
the farm.
safe.
Our restaurant serves like Vietnamese inspired dining. So this is already gonna be part of your table later.
Oh,
Okay.
So, alright, let's go to the next area.
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
So, currently actually we're at 80%, I would say, 80% organically fed our manok. So we still buy a little bit of feeds, but at least we cut costs because what we do is we feed them things like mati de agua, mani-mani, just vegetables, and then to supplement their diet is a little bit of the feeds lang. So we can't say it's 100% organic, but at least it's cutting a lot of their diet, no? And currently the black ones are Zampen chickens, so it's the chickens that we're trying to breed within our own
Zampen
peninsula.
chickens.
Oh, Zampen. Yeah. So currently actually this area, so we have 4 pens, but this pen is actually kind of special. Because currently we're in partnership with ATI. They've given us 3 students from Paglinawan who are under a program. So they are given a project from March until December. They have to basically build their own kind of hands-on system. It could be anything from growing vegetables or chickens, pero they decided chickens. And we just give them the area, we give them the materials, and it's up to them how they manage their area. And at the end of the program, if they do well and they present like a business plan kind of thing, then they are able to receive 150,000 in order to start their own manufan in their area. So currently they're still with us until December. Yeah. This is so in our restaurant as well. I like to joke around with our guests na you have to do a bioconsensus because we're still catching the chickens. So all of our chickens, all of our ducks, it's caught from here. We don't get it from outside. Healthy just siya. I think later you'll get a taste of one of our chickens.
So, umikot lang pala tayo, no? Meron na silang quail.
The quails every now and then I think they get like 50 eggs every 2 days.
2 days.
55 per day. It's kind of inconsistent because it depends also on the construction around. If it's noisy, then it can Malay. Actually, we had way more before, but since he's now in the government, hindi man tayo focus. But we still have them just in case people want to buy. Nakita mo nagpalit para sa dengue. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. So this is more of the garden. Actually, currently our garden sustains all of our staff, our personal consumption, and the restaurant. So we're trying to make it bigger and more efficient. So hopefully in the future we can start selling sa mercado. For those who don't know, the history sa ako papa is he is a furniture designer in Vietnam for 20 years, 25 years. So, siya is skill set in terms of designing. That's why if you notice sa deck, there's many unique furniture. That's his design from Vietnam. So, because of his love for furniture designing, obviously he wants to make a workshop here so he can train people here in Dumingag how to make furniture, things like that. And hopefully once we get our TESTA accreditation, we can start teaching it also as a course here, carpentry and woodworking. So maybe, hopefully when you come back to the future, it's gonna be a full shop and we can all do little workshops on building something.
Yes.
We have a koi
Oh. Manzanitas. Small mansanas.
Alatras man sa Tagalog.
Alatres. Ah, rabbit. Ah, yes.
So they just kind of roam around here.
Yaya nila, no? Dako kayo sila lugar. Duha lang na sila?
Tulo.
Tulo?
Ang isa, I'm not sure where.
Nay laki yung guy.
There's a guy pero nag-space wala siya reproductive. That's why they don't reproduce. So we just let them free lang kay they can't reproduce. Pero kumon actually I want to start getting into rabbit meat.
Oo, pwede,
As
pwede.
a source of protein na lang instead of
Rabbit meat?
Oo, rabbit meat.
Rabbit meat. I heard it tastes like chicken.
Puntahan na din kami na mga rabbit farm. So, we're here sa rice field na guys. So guys, so we're here at Paglinawan Organic Eco Farm. And so the name explains itself. Dali na, takban ako ang English. English yung po kuya. Is this? Thank you. So may ano pa sila guys, patawel. How was your tour?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
So later, we're gonna eat.
One eternity later.
With turmeric. Only it's about only 20% of the cacao.
The rest are 5-in-1, like turmeric, yamado, malunggay, lemongrass, and the lemongrass and the yabano. So it's about 6-in-1 now, this one. And this one is our black rice from our farm. Zero chemical. The rice, black rice, with the brown rice. So this is now, like for example, the market they said is now expensive. Yung rice, but now this one is we serve in the farm is 80 per kilo. We send it to Cebu and become 99 pesos per 1 kilo. And now it changed the price. This month I want to put the price 110. 110.